Consider this a huge opportunity, but for others, it's more of a chance to get out there and have as much fun as they can in this space than a chance to buy the dips. Division is, of course, the name of the game. And succeed admirably, gentlemen, let me tell you. Good old Max Kaiser is the most well-known Bitcoin maxi, who is currently simply. Here, XRP experienced a virtual zero in contrast to Bitcoin forecasts. Max Kaiser, this man has been a major Bitcoin investor for a very long time, and at times, you have really witnessed him lose his ever-loving. Now, take a look at this piece that was just released today. In a post by an altcoin critic, Max Kaiser, a well-known supporter of Bitcoin, once again attacked XRP. Update on XRP crash with caption: Kaiser claims that XRP is centralized junk and that it will virtually always trade at zero in relation to Bitcoin. Kaiser also shared an image of the XRP chart along with the actual tweet crash update. He is demonstrating that its cost has dropped at the. As of this writing, XRP has dropped 5.68% to 49.8 over the previous day, while Bitcoin has fallen 5.25% over the same period. They are reflecting the bear market's dismal performance, which is being caused by the fact that global markets are quaking. China's market is currently experiencing a complete collapse, and in order to get things back up, they are looking at injecting trillions upon trillions of dollars of stimulus. This is having an impact on every market globally, not just cryptocurrency. The direction of the vol markets will also become more evident. You have folks like Kaiser, of course. I wish to acquire this in person. Toss as much dirt as you can into the air. I can now identify what Max Kaiser is referring to as XRP, which is what I would like to highlight. Concentrated trash, let me explain. Hey guys, are they ever celebrating the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund? They literally wrapped a GIF in Bitcoin and gave it the right to the very hands that they say bit. After all, Bitcoin was created in order to escape the current system, wasn't it? Bitcoin was designed to prevent that, and if it ever did centralize in the past, it has done so now, folks. Since Street now controls Bitcoin, Kaiser is now completely insane. The price of Bitcoin dropped by over $39,000 on Tuesday. Plummet, erasing almost all of the gains from the previous 2 months ahead of U.S. approvals for spot exchange-traded funds. After reaching a bottom that represented multi-year lows in its pairing, XRP started to rise against Bitcoin on January 9th. This pattern continued for a while until XRP began to match the trend of the price of Bitcoin and then entered a range of trading in its Bitcoin pairing. Kaiser has frequently shown his contempt for Ripple and XRP. During its court case against the U.S. Securities and Exchange, although it was obvious that the Commission's predictions about Ripple losing the litigation and XRP being security were absurd, Kaiser's predictions haven't always come true. Naturally, since Ripple achieved a notable triumph. I was following the judge's decision that XRP was not a security in the SEC lawsuit. Additionally, the SEC withdrew its ACT charges against Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse, the executives of Ripple, and as a result, XRP is the only digital asset in the whole digital asset space in the United States with legal clarity, including Bitcoin. Crucially, XRP has shown resilience by staying in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization despite legal issues and market uncertainty. Do you realize that XRP has never, ever dropped out of the top 10 for the market cap? That includes the entire period that the SEC was suing Ripple and doing whatever it could to maximize their potential. You are looking at a big dog and pony show with the price appreciation of XRP in the most recent bull run. XRP has proven its strength in these markets and has been around for a while. It is a lengthy period, and considering that since it entered the market in 2013, 84 million ledgers have closed with not a single error, that is just amazing. With a market capitalization of more than $27 billion, XRP is now the 6th largest cryptocurrency. Guys, just have a peek at. Top analyst, this article is over here. Forecast XRP's exuberant journey from 50 cents to $20. Analysts are increasingly focusing their speculative conversations on XRP in anticipation of a big price shift, with a bull prognosis indicating that XRP might go to $20 in the next bull market. Cryptocurrency researcher JD has drawn criticism. JD highlights the significance of a structural break on the charts and views the market cap as a significant market signal for this audacious projection on. Conversely, analysts predict that the price of XRP will experience a brief decline. EGR. Crypto indicates a potentially bullish monthly time frame but cautions about a developing pump that could spook weak hands, suggesting a potential decline before an upward surge. Given what we have been discussing, there may be some kind of black swan that literally causes these markets to plummet and then explode from there. That's how Judy and I became involved in this space at that very instant throughout all that was occurring in this situation. And the markets went absolutely bust. Now, I'll tell you what that is. We were purchasing at the bottom without even realizing it. This actually pushed and transformed our lives due to the location where we purchased it and how amazing it went. Now that we're listening to it, it adds to the chorus of unadulterated feelings. Expert Alemar Martinez estimated that the 34 cents would be, I'll tell you what, guys, if XRP is unable to maintain its current level above the 55-cent support level, it will collapse below 34 cents. Judy and I are going to be shopping a lot, that's for sure. Merely our thoughts and our plan of action because, folks, I'm excited. Since we already know that these markets are completely manipulated, I don't think it will disturb us in the slightest because we have faith in the fundamentals of day-to-day price action. We have witnessed it, and I firmly believe that while history doesn't repeat itself, it does rhyme. XRP Shark now expresses similar opinions. Determining a possible bottom of 35 to 45 cents and then waiting for a strong surge upward, these. As a group, analysts propose that despite these short-term gains, a short-term shake may be required to shake off weak hands before XRP reaches new highs. According to Air Analyst Crypto Rover, XRP will witness a huge breakthrough in March, supporting the idea that tumultuous times could lead to meaningful upward swings. Now, gentlemen, observe. Here we are, precisely where we are. This is the big tweet because getting that type of XRP seems to be rebounding as Gemini offers perpetual contracts. You are aware that XRP saw a difficult trial month in Gemini, which resulted in a loss near the 50-cent mark. However, the cryptocurrency is currently exhibiting indications of a possible resurgence. Crypto expert Ali Martinez has outlined elements that point to XRP's short-term rebound. Using the TD sequential indication as a model, Martinez. According to Allen Analyst, on-chain measurements that exhibit encouraging patterns support an optimistic assessment of XRP's trajectory. Large wallet addresses with between 10 and 100 million XRP are buying it, and they're buying it like crazy, guys, showing that investors are becoming more confident at this point. Let's ask ourselves that question right now. You genuinely think that these whales exist and are gathering XRP? Concerns about how many retail stores are investing a few hundred tokens into the millions of tokens. A few thousand people might not exist in your life. These guys, they know what's going to happen. The road and another issue, many people inquire as to whether whales are purchasing. Then why don't you folks notice it in the pricing of over-the-counter trading? The fact that the whales are prepared to risk millions of dollars when we're witnessing these prices should answer a lot of your questions, so go look it up on Investopedia and find out what it is. Fall says a lot, guys. It's not about millionaires or individuals who have traveled far to get here, it's about eager people. To assume the risk when it's really necessary. Opportunity that recognizes potential never seems like its lowest point. Warren Buffett has a well-known phrase about where it goes up, where he states, pay attention, guys, the majority of the market doesn't act that way. I get greedy when other people get scared, and I get afraid when other people get mean. The bulk of retail clients sell into fear and buy into strength. And that's precisely how they allowed these gentlemen to play them like fiddles. Well, let me clarify, Judgment and I are exactly that. I'm 100% convinced, and in terms of our accumulating goals, I'll tell you that I would welcome some respite regarding the cost so that we don't have to exert as much effort to reach our desired destination because, folks, I think this will happen eventually. When the market takes off, most people's doors will blow off, leaving the bulk of them with their mouths. That's my prediction. Guys, given how quickly things are changing, you will thank yourself in this area for taking the time to set up your plan and learn about the benefits of our coaching program. Here, you and I can meet one-on-one over Zoom for an hour, and I'll share with you our experiences in that last bull run and how they allowed Judy and me to achieve some incredible financial success. We looked at your portfolio to make sure it was balanced toward your goals, and we collaborated to create your exit strategy. I reveal the mistakes we made so you don't have to make the same mistakes we did.